Okay, so this is the background, and it's Paintbrush Studio Escape the Ordinary called Explore. And I'm using the printed background as my background for my photo and to house my embellishment clusters. And then that photo mat is from Maggie Holmes' Carousel. That was the August kit. And like some of those embellishments that you see me ink the edges of, those are from past kits. But those feathers and that right there that I'm holding, you can do amazing things, is from the current kit. And sorry, my cat makes his presence known, and I have to stop the camera, wait for him to leave, and off he goes again. And I do not know why I have his nail clippers right there either. But anyway, going to put down all the layers. I'm using some die cuts, and some of the chipboard stickers are Paintbrush Studio Escape the Ordinary from the same collection as the background paper. And then, like I had said, everything else come from past kits. So I'm just putting down my clusters. I have one there by my photo, one there by the big triangle. It kind of looks like a mountain. And then I have a third one, I think, in the corner. Well, actually, I have it right here. I could look. Let's miss it. I thought it was here. Yeah, I do. Up in the corner. And it says something beautiful is on the horizon, and then the same triangles that you see on the layered, like you see on the background page. And the stars are Paintbrush Studio as well. I think the only thing that come from past kits are the circle that says little things, the little tag, the black tag there that you see, that one come from August kit. I don't remember who it was from though. And then that circle and that arrow sticker come from my stash of old kits. I'm not going to use my November kits. I have November from 2016 and November from 2017. And I'm trying to compile enough pictures that are Christmassy, wintry. So I can do Christmas pictures from last year because I haven't scrapbooked those yet. And Christmas pictures from this year, as well as my sister had a few winter pictures of the girls I can scrapbook use for that. What? Why? Oh my gosh. Can you wait a minute? Okay, and then once I get those embellishments down, that pretty much completes this layout. So when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.